In this video, we will show you how to create poll in Google. To create a polling in Google, it's very easy. We can use the Google form to create polling. How to do that? First in here, just open Google form. Okay, I will open the Google form here and click the Google form and you can click sign in. To create a polling, you have several options using multiple choice or text box. Okay, for example, in here, we will create the title of our polling. Okay, favorite sport. This is just for example. And the question is, what is your favorite sport? Okay, what is your favorite sport? And the option for the answer, you can choose multiple choice or using checkbox. This is required. Okay, and you can using checkbox or using multiple choice. The option 1, for example, football. The option 2, rugby. The option 3 is volley. The option 4 is skydiving, for example, like this. And you need to click publish. Okay, but before that, just click settings first and make sure for the responses you do not collect the email address. Or if you want to collect the email, you can just click responder input or verify it here. In here, we will try to do not collect because this is just anonymous can fill. Okay. For the next, you need to click publish here. Okay. And then you can click publish. After that, you can click the copy here. Okay. And click copy. After that, I will try using another browser to fill the form. Okay, I will paste in here. And after that, this is for anonymous. How if we collect the email? Okay, for example, let's change to responder input. Okay. If we try to reload, you can see it will have the field for email. Okay. You have the option to collect the email or not. Okay. For verify it, you can also using sign in method. But in here, let's just like this. In here, I want to choose football. And the email is email.com like this, for example, and click submit. Okay. And then I will reopen again the link and paste again. And the two, I will choose skydiving and the email is 222@gmail.com. Okay. After that, you can see the responses here. You will see the collect email and also you have the chart. Okay. This is the football and this is the skydiving. Okay, let's fill once again. I want to fill once again in here 333 at gmail.com. Okay, using another option, there is football and skydiving. I want to choose rugby and select submit. And after we reload the responses, okay, you can see we have the graphic chart like this. You can also share the result by clicking link to sheets and just create the name for your sheet. For example, poll result. Okay, this is very important if you want to make the data from your pollings. Okay, the polling results in Google Sheet is look like this, and you can collect the email and the answer, of course. That's our tutorial how to create polling in Google. Thanks for watching.